Hi, I chose to explain puberty to a young male as it pertains to young men. So in puberty and young males, there are three major organs of the endocrine system that are impacted and that work to make those changes in the body happen. Those three major organs are the hypothalamus, the anterior pituitary gland, and the testes. Along with those three major organs, there are specific secretions of hormones, androgens actually, that also affect the body during that time period. And those two hormones are testosterone and dihydrotestosterone. Testosterone works to basically drive the entire process. It binds to receptor cells, and those receptor cells basically initiate changes in the target cells which they're aimed for. And the dihydrogen testosterone works to stimulate the cells to mature in the specific endocrine organs I already listed. So a basic rundown of kind of how the puberty process goes in young males. The hypothalamus releases, I want to pronounce this right, gonadotropin releasing hormone into the bloodstream, also known as GnRH. Once GnRH is in the bloodstream carries it to the anterior pituitary gland, and the anterior pituitary gland then stimulates the secretion of LH and FSH into the body. LH is basically the secretion of the androgen testosterone, and FSH basically works as a sidekick, and they work as a team together to create sperm cells by inducing spermatogenesis in the male body, and that creates mature sperm cells. And during puberty, the stimulation and secretion of testosterone being released is increased at a very rapid rate, and so those sperm cells mature very quickly, and basically young men go through puberty. And that is a quick rundown of the process of what happens to young males when they're in their teens.